Honesty is the best policy. With this wonderful thought, I want to thanks to our mummy papa that they are teaching us at schools and our teachers who are teachers very well. I Priyanka of class 12 wishing you a very auspicious afternoon to our honorable principal ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I thanks to Khan sir and Toy sir to give the auspicious occasion to do this activity. The main topic of this activity is who is the weak link. Under this topic, there are two topics which are divided separately. In this side, Kashish Rawat is the captain of the team Crescent of the Moon, which means that the moon is a magic for soul and light for the sense. The moon is like a flower of heavens with light of single light, and the moons can never beat, but it can take our breath away from the beauty of its core. And the another side, Suhani is the captain of the team Rising of the Suns, which means that it is an opportunity to enjoy your life with freely breath. Every sunrise has a new beginning and new end of our life. Now, I would like to call Kashish, who is the captain of the team Crescent of the Moon. Please come here and tell your own views on your topic.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am and respected teacher and my dear friend. At first, I would like to thank Honorable Principal Ma'am and Khan sir and Toit sir to give me that opportunity to be a part of this query section. My name is Kashish Rawat. I am the captain of Crescent of Moon. As Crescent of Moon represents the creative force of new beginning, the moon teaches very important lessons. The most valuable thing is how to learn how to see the light in the dark moment. Remembering that even in the darkest night, if we simply look up into the sky, we can absorb the glowing, hopeful light into the sky. Here are something you have to understand about these story. They point you in the right direction, but they can't take you in the right direction because people curve the sweet tragedy of not knowing excitement of suggestion and sweet tragedy of mystery. Next, I would like to call opponent team captain to speak on her topic. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Suhani and I am the captain of team Rising of Sun. Firstly, thanks to Lord, Mummy and Papa. You made me so capable that I am do all this by coming here. Even if we lose today, we will not feel sad because instead of thinking about what we did not get, it is better forward to get something else in life. I would say that lastly, our team is in Rising of Sun. Now I would like to call Dipesh, he is the vice captain of Crescent of Moon. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am Khan sir and Toy sir who give full effort to us for teaching. Myself Dipesh, I am the vice captain of the team Crescent of Moon. As we know that moon helps to remove dingy cell and fill it up with delighted rays. We are not like moon, but we behave like it. For we feel our surrounding full of peace and bright, and give a right path them for better future. And I would like to call the vice captain of Rising of Sun team member. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all who are present here. My name is Riyachan. I am the vice captain of Rising of Sun. So, I want to say two line about it. However long the night, the sun is always rise. By this beautiful thought, at last I wanna thank my mama papa to make me capable for it, and also wanna thank to Khan sir and Toy sir to give me a golden opportunity to be a part of this game. Thank you. So let's start this activity. First of all, Kashish, who is the captain of the team Crescent of the Moon, get up and ask the question from your opponent team.
So I found my weak link to Suhani Soravi. Please stand up.
जोर
How are you talking? Huh?
Ma'am, please stand up. What is meant by unlimited liability? What is meant by unlimited liability?
Answer, face the camera. Okay? सामने बोल के आंसर कीजिए.
The personal asset of the partner which can be utilized for paying firm debt.
Ask the next question.
What is meant by mutual agency?
Mutual agency, every partner works as a principal for himself as well as other partner.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the last and final question from him.
Sharma and Gupta are a partner in a firm. They wanted to two more partner. List the category which admit by.
The personal unsound mind. Second, the personal who have been declared insolvent.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. The round first is completed. Mayank had the 6 marks. Now sit down.
Mayank got.
Suhani, stand up. Who is the captain of the team Rising of the Sun? And ask the question from your opponent team.
According to Section 31 of Indian Partnership Act 1932, a person can be admitted a new partner on the consent of the existing partner.
He gives the correct answer. Now ask the next question.
Give the 2 rights acquired by a new partner.
Right to share future profit in the firm, and second is right to assets of the firm.
He gives the correct answer. So last and final question.
Unless the otherwise, what will the sacrifice ratio as a new partner be admitted in a new partner?
Unless otherwise of the ratio sacrificing of the old partner in the case of admission, new partner will be equal to their old ratio.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. The round second is completed. Now sit down both of you. Now Dipesh, who is the vice captain of the team Crescent of the Moon, get up and ask the question from your opponent team.
I got my weak link on Pawan. And my first question is, how are mutual relation of partner is governed in the absence of partnership deed?
In the absence of partnership deed, the mutual relation of partner is governed in the Act of 1932.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the next question.
Is sleeping partner is liable to act of other partners?
Yes, living partner is able to act of other partner.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the last and final question.
And my last question is, what is meant by fixed capital of partner?
Partners capital are to be said in the partners capital are said to be fixed to its remain
3, 4, 5. He is unable to give the answer, so -1. Dipesh, you give the correct answer.
Partner's capital is to be said fixed when the capital of partner remain alerted unless additional capital is introduced or a capital is withdrawn permanently as per the agreement of the partnership.
That is completed. Now write down both of you. Now Ria, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team. Ask us, stand up.
बोल रही हो?
State any two reasons for the preparation of a revolution account on a partner's admission.
To record the effect of revaluation of assets and liability, so that the profit and loss on revaluation of assets and liability divide amongst the old partners.
She gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the next question.
State the ratio of profit. State the ratio of gain or loss shared to partners of revolution on assets and liabilities.
The partner share gain or loss on revaluation of assets and liability in their old sharing partner.
She gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the last and final question from you.
My last question is, what is mean by hidden goodwill?
When the value of goodwill when the value of goodwill is not given, but it has been afraid on the basis of net worth of firm, it is called hidden goodwill.
She gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now get back to your seat. The round 4 is completed. Now Bhagat, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I would like to stand Ria. Name any two items of debit side of the current account.
Drawing an interest on drawing.
She gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the next question.
If the partner's capital are fixed, where would you record interest on capital and shares of partner's profit?
Interest on drawing is in the debit side of current account and share of profit in the credit side of current account.
She gave the wrong answer, so -1. You tell the correct answer.
Interest on capital debit side of the current account or shares of partner's profit in credit side of the current.
You also give the wrong answer, so you -2. The correct answer is interest on capital equals to credit.
Where would you record? Name any two items which can be recorded in the credit side of the capital account when the partner's capital are fluctuating.
Interest on capital and share of profit.
She gave the correct answer, so give me 2 points. Now get back to your seat. Now Janak, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I would like call Dipesh. State the need for treatment of goodwill on admission of partner.
To compensate the old partner for their sacrifice.
He gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the next question.
State with reason whether at time of admission of partner partnership is dissolved or partnership firm in dissolve.
Partnership is dissolved and not the firm because it is the reconstitution of the firm under which existing agreement comes in the end and the new one comes into existence.
He gave the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the last and final question.
It lists any two item that need adjustment in account book of a firm at
at the time admission of partner.
Adjustment for goodwill and adjustment of accumulated profit, reserve and losses.
Who give the correct answer? So give him 2 points. The round 5 is completed. Now get back to your seat. Now Arun, stand up to ask the question from your opponent.
He has given one-time answer.
What is mean by change in profit sharing ratio?
A change in profit sharing ratio implies purchase of share of profits by one or more partners or other partners or partners.
She gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Ask the next question.
Give two circumstances in which sacrificing ratio may be applied.
At the time of retirement of the partner, at the time of change in profit sharing ratio of existing partners.
She gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the next question. Last question.
Give two circumstances in which gaining ratio may be applied.
At the time of admission of a partner, at the time of change in profit sharing ratio of existing partners.
She gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now get back to your seat. Mayank, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I wanna ask the question from Bhagat. What is the formula of number profit?
Capital employment into rate upon 100.
What is the formula of normal profit?
Normal profit is equal to capital employment into rate upon 100.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the next question.
How does the market situation impact of the value of goodwill firm?
In monopoly condition or limited competition, it concerned one high profit which led to higher value of goodwill.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now ask the last question.
Give the accounting entry of in case of liability reconciliation partnership firm. Give the accounting entry accounting entry in case of liability reconciliation of partnership firm.
Reconciliation account debited to sundry liabilities.
He gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points. Now get back to your seat. Here stand up to ask the question from your opponent team. Stand up.
Define goodwill.
Say loud.
My first question is define goodwill.
Goodwill is a value of a reputation of a firm is requested of the profit expected future or over the above normal profit earned by the other similar firms belonging to the same type of industry.
She gives the correct answer, so give him 2 points.
My second question is name any 2 factors affecting is goodwill of partnership firm.
Favorable location in business, efficiency in management.
So she gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Next question.
My last question is what is meant by super profit?
Super profit is the excess actual average profit on over normal profit.
She gave the correct answer, so give the 2 marks. Give him 2 marks.
Again, or repeating the same mistake.
Now, minds, Pawan, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I found my weak link to Jaya. Please come. My first question is, give the accounting entry for unrecorded asset in the case of reconstitution of a partnership firm.
Sundry asset account debited to revaluation account.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks.
My second question is difference between average profit and super profit.
Average profit is the average of the profit shared a past few years, whereas super profit to exist a average profit was normal profit.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Ask the last question.
Why is reserve and surplus distributed at the time of reconstitution of a partnership firm?
The belong all partner as should be distributed among them.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Now get back to your seat. Aska, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
Janak, stand up. How the goodwill is undervalue the capitalization of average profit method.
Capitalized average profit method is equal to average profit into average profit into 100 upon rate.
He gave the incomplete answer, so -1. He gave the incomplete answer, so give -1. Aska, you give the correct answer.
Capitalized value of average profit equal to average profit into 100 upon rate, or goodwill equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed.
Okay, now ask the next question.
State the ratio in which partners share profit or loss on revaluation of assets and liability when there is a change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners.
In old profit sharing ratio.
He gave the correct answer, so give her 2 points. Now ask the last question.
How the goodwill is undervalue the capitalization of super profit.
Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 upon rate.
He gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. He gave the correct answer, so give him 2 marks. Now Divya, stand up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I would like to ask a question from Priya. So my first question is, in case of fluctuating capitals, where will you record drawings and interest on drawings?
One, two, debit side of current account. 3, 4, 5. She gave the wrong answer, so give her -1.
So my second question is, why does the fixed capital account of partners show credit balance even when the firm suffer losses year after year?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She is unable to give the answer, so you can give the correct answer.
because the losses are adjusted through partner's current account.
Ask the last and final question.
So my last question is, when there is change in profit sharing ratio amongst existing partners, should the assets and liabilities be revalued? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Again, she is unable to give the answer, so -1. You give the correct answer.
Because of the profit or loss, accounts of partners should be credited or debited to the old profit sharing ratio.
Okay, get back to your seat. Now, Jaya.
मेन आंसर तो दिया नहीं यार.
How does the factor quality of product affect the goodwill of the firm?
A better quality of product will sales and profit will increase the value of goodwill.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks.
What is the nature of revaluation account?
The revaluation account, nominal account in nature.
Again, she gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Ask the last question.
How does the nature of business affect the value of goodwill in the firm?
A firm which produces goodwill having a stable demand to develop more earn profit, hence will be the value of goodwill.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Now both of you get back to your seat. Suhani Joshi, get up to ask the question from your opponent team.
I would like to ask question from Kasif. If a fixed amount is withdrawn on the last day of every month, for what period interest on total drawing will be calculated?
5.5 months.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Ask the last question. Second question.
Name the method calculating interest on drawing of
Product method.
partner.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Ask the last question.
If a fixed amount is withdrawn on the first day of every quarter, for what period interest on drawing will be calculated?
7.5 months.
She gave the correct answer, so give her 2 marks. Wait for the result. The winner is Rising Norman Sir.